You see that? It's ice. Yeah. Thought I was a gunner then. I feel like I pulled a muscle in my chest. Fuck me, it is ice here. I didn't realise. Oh. Keep going. Fucking. Keep going. That's twice I've nearly fell off now because of this ice. Oh my word. Oh my. Both feet out here, this business. This road looks icy as fuck. Oh mate, it is. Oh my word. Ice. Oh, that's both feet down business, that. Through the twigs. Nearly overshot it. Slippy as fuck. Got me in the face with a fucking stone then, the little cunt. Silent riding all the way down. What are you gonna do? Pop some wheelies. Wheelie. Wheelie. Doesn't the bike feel completely different when it's not started? Non-handed. Left.